In this quick video, you'll learn how to set up a pre-approval link and manage pending user approvals in the tip tool so you can onboard users quickly, securely, and with less manual effort. So, to start, go ahead and click your profile icon up there in the top right. Then, select Control Panel and open the tab called Whitelist. Then select the organization and portfolio. Next, you'll want to add your organization's domain. Only users with email addresses from that domain will be allowed to register. This keeps access secure and restricted to your team. Now click Generate Link, click Proceed. The system will create a unique link tied to your tenancy. Just copy that link and share it internally. Then you'll see an option that says automatically add whitelisted users. If that box is checked, users with the approved domain will be added automatically as inventors. If it's not checked, their registration requests will appear under pending approvals, so you can review them first. To do that, go back to the panel on the left and click on User Pending Approvals. You'll see a list of individuals who have requested access. You may assign appropriate roles to each user before approving or rejecting their access request. After that, just click Approve to grant access or reject if they don't belong. Once approved, the user will appear in your users list where you can further adjust their roles and get them collaborating right away. And that's it. You've learned how to set up a pre-approval link and manage user approvals in the tip tool.